Welcome back to my channel. This is DailyTech. In this video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Alcatel A571VL, aka Pixi Avion. Make sure that the phone is powered off completely. Locate the volume down and the power button. Press and hold both. Once the phone turns on, release the power button. Continue holding the volume down. Since the phone was not powered off completely, just give it some time. Now press and hold both. Once the phone turns on, release the power button. Continue holding the volume down. Once you see this screen, scroll down to Wipe Data Factory Reset. Press the power button to select it. Scroll down to delete all users' data. Restart system. There you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.